Let's find an equation of the line and write it in A, slope-intercept form if possible, and B, standard form, through the point -2, 3, and 6, -1. To use our point slope form, we are going to need slope. So we have 2 points, and we're going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2, and we're going to calculate the slope first. Our slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll substitute in the y-coordinate of point number 2 is -1 minus the y-coordinate of point number 1, which is 3, the x-coordinate of point number 2, which is 6, minus the x-coordinate of point number 1, which is a -2. Let's simplify the numerator. -1 take away 3 is -4. 6 minus a -2 becomes 6 plus 2, which is 8. And we'll simplify that to -1/2. So we now have the slope of the equation of the line that we're looking for. So now we're ready to do part A. We'd like to get this into slope-intercept form, given our 2 ordered pairs, -2, 3, 6, -1, with a slope of -1/2. So we're ready to go y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We'll substitute in. You can pick either of the 2 points, but since we labeled this x1, y1, we'll go with that. So we'll have y minus 3 is equal to -1/2 times x minus a -2. Again, watch your negative signs. Let's clean up this right-hand side. Y minus 3 is equal to -1/2 times x plus 2. We'll carry through our distributive. Y minus 3 is equal to -1/2 x minus -1/2 times 2 is 1. Getting y by itself for slope-intercept form, we're going to add 3 to both sides. And we'll have y is equal to -1/2 x. -1 plus 3 is a +2. So we have this now in our slope-intercept form, and we're ready to put this in standard form. So the equation we're working with is y is equal to -1/2 x plus 2, and to get it in standard form, we'd like x and y on the same side of the equation. So I'm going to add 1/2 x to both sides. So I'll have 1/2 x plus y is equal to 2. I'd like to clear the denominator by multiplying each term by 2. Our first part of our distributive, the denominator will cancel out, and I'll be left with x. Our second distributive gives me 2y, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. So our standard form is x plus 2y equals 4.